Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own easy DIY automatic cabinet lights, which can be stuck in place using a small strip of double-sided tape and automatically switches on and off when you open and close your cabinet doors. The switch is really cheap and easy to make and works well with both kitchen and bathroom cabinets, as well as bedroom cupboards and even storage rooms without their own lighting. This design uses these super bright white LEDs from Hobby King, which are mounted onto a small heatsink. You'll also need a limit switch, a CR2032 cell battery, and two 2.5 by 12mm cap screws. Start off by 3D printing the two components in the video description. I printed them using black PLA with a 15% infill. You could also use white, brown or grey PLA to match your cabinets. Slide the LED under the clips on the top bracket to hold it in place. If it is still loose, then add a few drops of super glue to the back or the edges. Then feed the wires through the two holes in the base. Make sure that you get the polarity correct, as you'll need the negative lead to be in the bottom of the battery holder. Trim your two leads to the correct length and then strip the ends. You're going to connect your leads to the two outer terminals on your switch, the common and the normally closed terminals. Use one of the pieces of the leads which you cut off the LED to make up the section between the limit switch and the positive battery terminal. Make sure that the insulated portion of the lead in the bottom of the battery compartment is inside the groove, and that a portion of the exposed wire sits on the bottom of the compartment. When you push the top lead onto the battery, the LED should turn on. You should then be able to turn it on and off using the limit switch. Use your two machine screws to screw the two halves together, which presses the leads onto the battery. You'll now need to turn the LED on and off using the limit switch. Use a strip of double-sided tape to stick the limit switch in place. I use these removable ones with a pull tab so that I can easily remove them if I need to. You can now stick the lights into place on any of the edges of your cabinets which are close enough to almost touch the door when they're closed. Make sure that when your door is closed the LED is actually being turned off, or your battery will die quite quickly. You should be able to easily replace the battery without completely removing the light, by simply unscrewing the two screws and removing the top cover. Thanks for watching, and remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more tech and electronics projects, repairs and reviews.